if you change your mind, you know where to find me.